Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Dominicleeh. I know it's been a long time, but we here and today we're gonna go from trash, like look at me, to glam real quick. And we're gonna use only Colourpop cosmetics. But I did my eyebrows already because I don't have any brow products from them. So let's get started. And I'm priming my face with this rose quartz crystal priming spray. Oh, what a thing. Ooh. Oh my god, I look so wet. So next I'm using this no filter foundation in medium 100. Okay, so this is a medium coverage. Okay, it's looking good. It's looking nice, snatched. So have you guys ever worked in retail before? I'm sure of it. I just don't understand what is it with people. I don't know why. Go to you with an attitude and they don't even know you. So just let me tell you something. I mean a story about what happened to me. Two customers came in and I say hello to them, but they ignore me. So I say, okay, no problem. I'm gonna use this no filter concealer in shade light 14. So as I was saying, I was just almost like next to them, and then one of them asks me, oh no, tells me, excuse me, I'm sorry to interrupt you, but can you come please and help me? With attitude, you know. So I was like, okay, no problem. So I go to them and I said, I tell them, how can I help you? And one of them says, what is size 13? All I see over here is size 12, but 13 was next to them. So I was like, okay, 13 is right there. Then I was helping a customer from the other side of the size 13 where they were, and I heard that they were taking off the tag. So I said, oh my god, I'm gonna have problems with these people now. I just start helping the other customer. She was asking me for some shoes for her daughter, and then she said she was gonna come back because she wasn't sure about the size. No problem. So I see that the two girls are going to the register and asking, you guys, are you guys ready? So they say, yeah, we're ready. I go to them, and what I see is that the box has a different tag, a different price. They put a $10 tag with a shoe that was $40. So obviously I say, I'm sorry, this is not the price of this boot. So they come up to me and they say, so why is this tag in this box if it's not $10? And then I said, I don't know, somebody maybe put it over there. One of them says, what you mean somebody put it over there? And then I say, I don't know, honey. Oh my god, but this is the part, I don't know what I did wrong, you know. One of them says to me, why are you calling me honey? I'm not your honey. So the other one says, yeah, I'm calling her honey. Yeah, why are you calling her honey? And then I just do looking at them like, okay, what am I gonna do? And then one of them tells me, who is the manager here? And I say, hi, how can I help you? Because I was getting mad already because you knew that shoe wasn't $10 and you thought that you were gonna pay $10 for those shoes, which wasn't $10, it was $40. I wasn't gonna let you slide like that. I'm sorry. And then she said, you are not the manager here. You are a nasty person. You are a nasty bitch. I wanted to say something, but I couldn't. I just said, have a nice day. I was so mad. I didn't want to make a big deal of it because they knew they wasn't right, that they what they were doing wasn't right. So I just said, have a nice day. I thought I was recording. This is so stupid. So I have setting powder. This is a no filter setting powder. It's a translucent from Colourpop. I thought I was recording and I wasn't. I was so stupid. I was talking in the camera by myself. I didn't know. So I'm gonna use this palette. This is a new one that came out. It's my pleasure palette. It has so nice colors. I think I'm gonna start with this fan fiction in my crease. Starting from outer corner. Going back and forth. Back and forth. Back and forth. So you go from this part going up and then going down like this. And then using a small detail brush, kind of, is Morphe E17, and I'm gonna pack this color on my crease. This is called Sleeper, like right here. Don't go anywhere else, just stay there. I want you there, don't move. This is so exaggerating. What I'm doing is just I'm adding a little depth in my crease. So then we're just gonna put glitter on it. For glitter, I'm using this Morphe M421. It's a small detail brush. This is Starfire. Is glitter upset body glitter. I know I didn't say that right, but it's whatever. So for my lower lash line, I'm using this Super Shock Press Pigment in Monkey Business. And I'm using this M321 Morphe brush. I'm gonna start from here. I think it's too So for lashes, I'm using these kitty lashes in Striptease. And I'm using this Colourpop Press Powder Face. Is a bronzer and Afternoon Delight. So this Hilux, and this is what I do. And by the way, this is a Morphe E53 brush. What I do is like I start from here, like from this part up to here. You don't want to go down, just want to go up this way because it's gonna look weird then. Because you want to look more skinny, you understand what I'm saying? And for blush, I'm using this Colourpop Super Shock Chic Matte Cruel Intentions. And using this Aesthetica P12 brush, I'm gonna just pat that over here. Look at that. Okay, so for highlights, I'm gonna use this Colourpop Luster Dust highlighter in Avois. I don't know if that's how you say it. I'm sorry. This is Morphe M441, and I'm using this brush for highlighter. This is a loose highlighter, by the way. Oh my god, I love this. It's so subtle. Okay, so for lips, I've been thinking about which one am I gonna use. This one is a lip gloss, Ultra Glossy Lip and Dreamaholic, and this is Ultra Satin Lip in Make Believe. So since I can't decide which one I'm gonna use both. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. I hope you guys like it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I would appreciate it so much. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.